Hi guys, this is Jane, Lyman Gal Crafts. Welcome back to my channel, and I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I greatly appreciate your support, and I'm glad you're here today. I just did a shopping haul, and I wanted to just share with you what I got. I went to Joann's. It's like an hour away from where I live, so I normally don't go there, but they were having a sale, and I was able to get some things at 40% off, and one of the items wasn't on sale, but I had a 40% off coupon, so pretty much I saved 40% on everything. So the first thing that I got that I've been wanting to get, Craft Purge had shared the Otlight. She has the desk style, but I already have a desk lamp, but I wanted to get something with a magnifier on it, because as I'm getting older, my vision up close is getting really bad. So this hopefully will help me, especially like when I'm threading my sewing machine or working on really tiny details when I'm doing jewelry. So this, I thought you'd be able to plug it in, but unfortunately you can't. It takes batteries. You have to use three triple A batteries. They don't come with it. You have to buy them separately. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And that's another thing I'm going to share with you here in a minute. So this is the light. Here's another picture of it. And there's what it looks like on the back. So once I get it all set up and figure out how to use it, I'll probably do another video and let you know what I think about it. So I found this paper at Joann's when I picked up the Otlight, and this is called Let's Celebrate. This is the first time I've ever bought paper from Joanne, so I'm sure there's other people that have already seen this, that buy paper from there, but this is new to me. So I loved all the different colors and the confetti. I think it's so cute. And you could use it with so many different collections. It would coordinate with them, so I like this paper. And then they have some birthday ones, which is perfect for making cards or fussy cut out the cakes. And there's hearts, which you could use for birthday or Valentine's or whatever you wanted to. And then there's pretty little flowers. There's some stripes. There's presents. So some of the papers are just single-sided. It's white on the one side. I thought these dogs were super cute too. Aren't they adorable? And then some of the papers are double-sided. So that was kind of nice too. Look at the flamingos. I love flamingos. They're so cute. So this is Louise Tiller is the designer. And she has a website, the Craft Blog. So I might have to check that out and get some inspiration from her. So it's called Let's Celebrate, if that's something you're interested in picking up from them. And like, I think the sale is all weekend for Joann's. So then I also wanted to pick up some solid color pastels, because the only colors I have in solids are some different shades of pink that I use with my plush peony paper. So I found this pad. It's Park Lane, which from my understanding from other YouTubers, that's Joanne's brand is Park Lane. So this comes with 50 sheets. There's 10 of each color, and it's smooth paper. So there's all the different colors that it comes with. So I thought that was really cute, because the beads that I got from Michael's, they're actually all those colors, so it worked out perfectly. So there's what the purple looks like, and then on the side you can see all the different colors. So I got that, and this wasn't on sale, but I had the coupon, so I saved 40% with the coupon. The main reason I went to Joann's was to pick up this paper. It's the Chasing Rainbows paper. It's my first edition. I think this has been out for a while, because I've seen other YouTubers doing projects with this paper, but I thought it was so pretty. I love the unicorns. I love all the pastel colors, and I love that there's florals mixed in there too. So it comes with this iridescent sheet. There's actually 2 of those. Oh no, 3 of those. Wow, pretty. And then you got the stripes with the iridescent. It comes with the confetti sparkle. It's like really glittery. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it's really pretty. It's got like a texture to it too. And then you've got your unicorns, and they've got the glitter on them. It's textured on top of the pastel background, which is smooth. So I see the sparkle on that too. So I thought that was really pretty. And then, so it's a mint green paper with the little diamonds. And they're raised up to kind of like embossed with glitter. Really pretty. And then you have your typical unicorns with rainbows and clouds, so adorable. Then there's the floral paper, which is really pretty. And then you have your cutouts. Super cute. And then who doesn't love dots? And I love the ombre effect they've got going on here, so pretty. And then you have some of these papers I think are double-sided. So yeah, you've got the dots on one side, and then you have the words on the other, different statements. And then they got pretty hearts. And then you have the rainbow pattern. More clouds and rainbows, and you got pretty clouds. Then you have the starburst. That's pretty yellow paper. There's some pretty, it's like a pink and purple ombre. Oh, and then on the back's got the pretty floral. I love that shade of lavender. So pretty. And then you have the unicorns. Adorable with the little flowers. That's awesome. And then confetti sprinkles on the back side. So that's that pad. So I was really excited to get that. That I got from Joann's was some ribbons. So I got all pastel colors to match the papers that I just bought. So there's all the different colors. These are 99 cents each, and it's the like really soft, like satiny ribbons, and they're really tiny. I'll open one up so you can see what it looks like. So it's the really thin. It's like 1/8 of an inch. But this is perfect for like when you're doing tags or beadwork, because you can string beads on here and stuff too. So I was really excited to get those, and I thought 99 cents was a pretty good price because it's 10 yards. So each one of these is 10 yards. So I thought that was a good deal. And then I was excited to find out that I actually have a Dollar Tree that must have opened up during the pandemic, and I wasn't even aware it existed. So the first thing I got, which isn't really craft related, but I thought they were so cute and I had to get them because I needed a new pair anyway, was these little flip-flops. Aren't they cute? It says good vibes only, and it's got the little sparklies on it, and I love that the straps are clear and they're super soft. So they should be comfortable to wear. And Scrapinology had just done a haul for Dollar Tree, and she had shown containers. I don't know if they were exact same as this, but similar. So I picked up one of these. I thought it was perfect to keep pens in, or markers, or paintbrushes, or little embellishments that you're working on or something. So I got that. Then I picked up this tray, gemstones. They have in pink. Got them in the clear clamps that Craft Perch uses. I thought they were really cool. So I got those because I think they're good to have. And then I got this little embellishment box, which I thought was perfect for putting beads or sequins or something in. And it came with some extra dividers, so you could make some of the, I think it's the center ones, you can actually make them even tinier. These squeeze bottles, which I thought is perfect because large thing of glue, but I want to put it into a smaller container. It would be good for that too. Jewelry bead dividers, they're really nice to have. And they had the spray bottles, so you can put pretty much anything in these. I like to use this to spray when I do watercolor. I like to put distilled water in them and then spray the watercolor before I use it, because it helps activate the pigments in the watercolors. But these little alphabet beads. So I don't know what the variety of letters is going to be in this, but I figured for $1 it was worth figuring it out. So I got those. And then they had the mini glass containers that everybody's hauled to make the little glitter or sequin mixes, and then you put the eye pin in to turn it into a dangle charm. So I thought that was so cute, so I picked up some of those to try and do that. And then I picked up this sequin mix. Something to keep in mind if you grab these at your Dollar Tree. There's supposed to be 6 of them, and when I was looking through to see if they had different colors, which unfortunately they only had these colors, they had, some of them only had 5 packs on the package, and they're supposed to come with 6. So definitely keep an eye on that when you're looking at them. But file bags, there's 2 of them in there. They don't have the part to put it in a 3-ring binder, but I thought they were cool to put like papers in. I found these organizer files because they didn't have, like I said, the page protectors when I tried to get them for the binder. So I thought these were kind of neat. I like the way it has that opening there. And they actually have like pockets, so you can put stuff in there. So there's quite a few sheets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a pocket on each side. So there's 8 pockets altogether. Plus it comes with the little tab dividers. So I thought this would be nice to put my dies in that don't fit in my other binder. It's magnet buttons, so I thought they would be good to have. Pretty much everything I got. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I hauled. If you have any questions on a particular item that you wanted to know the measurements or something, just drop a note in the comment and I'd be more than happy to answer you. So that would be it, and I'm probably not going to be doing any more shopping hauls for a while because now I need to organize my craft room so that I can get back on to working on some projects and do some project share videos and a new tutorial for you guys. So that's it for today. Thank you again for watching, and thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate you so much, and happy crafting. Bye.